Maybe you are already familiar with using elements. Here I will explain how elements work and how to use them to make your edits more efficient or faster. Elements, a feature that helps you edit faster. Simply put, elements save animations or designs for reuse. For example, this is a text animation I saved in Elements. Then, in the main project, when you want to add text animation, you just add the saved element, and edit each text without reanimating. And done. So, this is useful when you want to add text, with animations like this. With Elements, you can add animated text without starting from scratch, making your editing process faster. Not just text animations. For example, you can also save design animations. Next, there are two ways to create and save elements. First, in the main project, you can select a layer to turn into an element. You can see the result in the Elements tab. Now, try adding the previously saved element. The second way is by creating one from scratch in the Elements tab. For example, here I made an animation for background decoration. In the main project, I use that element as a background addition. This is just an example, you can reuse it in other projects without remaking it, since it's already saved as an element. If the animation is more complex, it'll help speed up your editing. Well, I think you already understand how elements work. Basically, it's like a preset, but you can add it directly to your main project. Lastly, text animation element. For letter or number animations in Elements, there's a special feature. You don't need to open the element or group to edit the text. I often use this, since you don't have to animate each letter manually. I saved some text animation elements, and used them in one of my edits too. I'll show you how to make one. First, create an element project as usual. Then, add text. Next, you can follow the animation I made. I'll show you, by applying it directly to one of my edits. Alright, now just adjust the position in your edit. I'll fast forward this part since the position adjustments may vary depending on your edit. Alright, it's done. Next, you can add shadow, blur, overlay, color correction, or anything else to enhance the result. Actually, I still have a few more examples I'd like to show, like shape, color correction, and other assets you can save as elements. But the duration has already gone longer than I expected. So, thanks for watching until the end, and see you again next time.